Hello guys, I have recently purchased a 2024 Golf R just about a month ago. I'm still breaking in the car, so I haven't revved past 4000 RPM yet. But so far I'm just absolutely in love with the car. Now, if you have frequent any internet forums or Reddit, you would hear that people are not exactly happy with the performance of the 10-speaker Harmon Kardon system, and in particular the subwoofer performance. And recently, people had started replacing their Harmon Kardon subwoofer with the subwoofer made by Fender in the MK7 GTI. Now, replacing the subwoofer is actually quite simple. I have followed the instructions from Seth Hester on YouTube, and you can see the link in the description below. In this video though, I will demo to you on how the system sound after the upgrade. Keep in mind that I recorded this with an iPhone 13 Pro built-in microphone, so I'm not exactly sure if the full effect of the bass translate to your speaker, but hopefully at least it will give you an idea. Let me just open the trunk under the cover here, and here is the Fender subwoofer. And keep in mind the connector is upside down from the stock Harmon Kardon subwoofer system. So without further ado, let me just go into the car and show you how it sounds. not too sure how much of the bass actually translates to your speaker, but even with my untrained ear, it's a very noticeable improvement from the stock Harmon Kardon subwoofer system. Hope this video helped you out, and I would like to tell you to subscribe, but I don't have much content, but if the video helps you out, then give it a like.